Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Robotic Electronics. This is the second video of our course on KiCad for beginners. We have already discussed about what is KiCad, why we have chosen KiCad and the outline of our course in our introduction video. So if you have not watched our introduction video, the link will be given in the description below and in the I button as well. So go and check that out. As you know, in this video we are going to demonstrate how to download and install KiCad on Windows. We will also demonstrate how to create a project in KiCad. Though we will download KiCad for Windows, we will also show you how to download it for Mac and Linux. So with that being said, let's start the video. So to download KiCad, first we need to open Google Chrome. I am using Google Chrome, but you can use any web browser you prefer. Now type KiCad. As you can see, the first website is kicad-pcb.org. This is the official website of KiCad. So let's open it. Yes, so this is the official website of KiCad. Now these are libraries tab, download tab and docs tab. Before going to download, I want to show you something. Open docs tab. Yes, as you can see, this page contains some documents available in PDF, EPUB and other formats. These are actually the, you can say, instruction manual for KiCad. And I suggest you to download these as well and go through them, as you will get a better idea about KiCad. So here are, I guess, 10 documents are here, I can see, and I cannot open these documents in my video because I think they are copyright protected, so I cannot open this in this video. So yes, I suggest you to download them and go through them. You will definitely have a better idea about KiCad. So let's get back to the previous page. Yes, now click on download tab. Yes, as you can see, here is a list of the operating systems for which KiCad is available. So, and this is a source code. I don't think this is the any operating system. This is the source code. This is not one of these. Okay, so if you want to download KiCad for Mac, then you need to click here. For Ubuntu, you need to click here. I'm going to click on Windows because I'm using an Windows 10. Now, this is 5.1.6. I mean the version of KiCad, and I'm using a 64-bit operating system. That's why I'm going to download one of these. If you are using a 32-bit Windows operating system, then you need to download one of these. How you can check what about this in your PC? Let me show you. Go to this PC or my computers. Right click on this, properties. Yes, here system type 64-bit operating system. So here you can check whether your system is a 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. So let's get back to this page. I'm using 64-bit. I'm going to download ACRN Switzerland, and these specifications are very important, so you need to keep that in mind. So I'm going to click on ACRN Switzerland. Yes, the download has been started. As you can see, this is a 1.2 GB file, and it has been started downloading, but I have already downloaded the file, so I'm just going to close it and close Google Chrome. Yes, as you can see, here is the file. This is KiCad 5.1.6 for a 64-bit operating system for Windows. So let's open this. So it is opening now. I think it will take some time. Yes. So installer for KiCad EDA suite. Click on yes. Yes. Now click on next. 1 minute. Yes. Next. Next. See program files KiCad. Okay. But if you want to place this file somewhere else, then go to browse and select the path. I'm going to save this file on in C drive program files KiCad. So next install. Now I think this will take some time. I know you can hear some noises in the background. I'm sorry for that. This should not take that long. Okay, I'm going to pause this video and resume after the installation process. Okay, so the installation is complete. Uh, yes, as you can see. Now let's check it. To edit or create 3D models, you need to install FreeCAD. FreeCAD and user manual can be downloaded from the FreeCAD webpage. So we're not going to download FreeCAD for now. But yes, maybe in the additional videos we will demonstrate this. So let's click on finish. Yes, now close this. Fish. As you can see, KiCad has been installed. This is the icon of KiCad. So let's open it. Yes, this is the window, KiCad window. I have already created a project called blink led.pro, so let's not talk about that. Now we have also told you that we will also demonstrate how to create project in KiCad. So go to file, new, I'm sorry, file, new, project. I'm going to save this project on desktop. So desktop, create a new folder, name it KiCad. Now the project name. I'm naming my project as 555 IC Astable mode. Astable mode. Save. So we have successfully created a project in KiCad. As we can see that here are two files. One is .sch file, which is the schematic file, and one is .kicad underscore PCB, which is the PCB layout file. So this is it for this video. Hope you like it. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And if you have any suggestions or queries, then comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe the channel Robotic Electronics, and also follow us on Instagram. uh, okay, so I hope to see you in the next video as well. And this is Shubhrayoti signing off.